morning, guys. July 1st, 2026. This one I got a call for, guy said he had a system put in about a year ago, an air conditioning system, and it's not cooling. He can't find, he's trying to find a guy's number who put the system in, but he can't seem to find it. Calling me and asked me if I could go by and take a look at it. He says the fan's working and the condenser's running outside, but it's not cooling. Well, he says he's got it off. Maybe it's a burnt wire in a compressor or something. No, the compressor's not kicking on. Bad hot start. Bad capacitor. Oh, we'll try to get you some shots over there. No system.
You think the...
I guarantee it's right here. This fucking, it's all oil. See it?
Yeah.
It's a flipping leaker right there. Look, all this is oil.
You think? I thought it was condensation.
No.
But
I'll put gas in it for now, but you got to call that guy back and he's got to fix it.
Something to do with the big winter we had and ice got under it and moved it or something?
No, it's a leak.
Right.
It's a micro channel too. I can put gas in it for you, so at least you could use it for now.
Right.
And call this guy back and tell him that I could see the oil. Look at it on my gloves there.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Feel it? That's a leak.
Like I said, I just thought it was condensation.
Not like that when it stains.
No. And I just cleaned this whole pad and washed it and everything like that before the winter to get the...
Well, let me put some gas in it for you, so at least it works for you for now.
Well, that'd be good.
But you're gonna need to get this fucking clown back over here and
because this is
fix this thing. See if there's even anything in it.
This is gonna be the hottest we've had it, and I'm saying, okay, everything's beautiful.
See if there's even anything in the fucker.
Is there?
I don't know. I'm gonna look.
Oh.
Brand new flipping system.
Yeah.
What a piece of shit. You know, there's a lot of guys, you know, they don't...
Oh, let me tell you, the guy did me good because...
Did he?
Well,
as long as he did you good.
After he put this in, they kept pushing them heat pumps every time I call this Mass Save and all that. Heat pumps. And then solar panels. And so this guy put this in.
Suction side, there's nothing in the fucker.
Then my cellar flooded.
It's out of...
Because the furnace couldn't handle it.
It doesn't have any refrigerant at all.
I knew it was cold. I knew it was warm in there.
Zero.
Oh my
God. Look at the fucking thing is out completely.
See? I knew it. But you see what I'm saying? Look at it. It's brand new. It's still got the sticker on it.
Brand new. It doesn't even have any gas in it. It's completely out.
Hey.
Yeah, so I'm going to shut it off here. I'm going to shut it off here so it don't run. You can't run it like that. You can burn it up. You got to call this fucking clown back that did this job. It's only a year old.
Yeah.
You know? I'm not going to start ripping and tearing the thing apart. If it was something I did,
right, I
would do it. But I'm going to leave this out for you for now, okay, so it don't run.
Well, it's going to run when you leave, right?
Huh?
It's going to run when you leave?
It's not going to run when I leave. There's no gas in it. It's completely out.
Oh, I thought you were going to fill it.
I can't fill it because it's empty. It's got a major leak.
Oh, you can't fill it.
It's got a major leak. There's nothing in it. If it had some gas in it, I would add it, but this is a major. There's nothing in it. It's completely out. I showed you the gauge, right?
Yeah.
Look at 0.
Right.
0, 0.
Right.
Nobody's home.
So
call the guy, find out who did the job. It's only a year old. Call him back and tell him the system's completely out of refrigerant. You had your buddy come by and look at it. There's all kinds of oil, big oil stain by the suction line.
Right.
That's the suction line. You said that's a suction line. The big line.
Yeah.
Tell them you put your hand around it, it was all oily, and there's a big oil stain on the ground, and had somebody put gauges. It's completely out of refrigerant. There's nothing in it. And tell him you got the condenser off outside. He needs to come back, put a pressure test, fix that leak, put a pressure test on it, make sure it's not leaking anymore with soapy bubbles once he's got pressure in it. Then he's got to evacuate the whole system and add gas back to it. So it's kind of a major job.
Oh my God.
You understand why I don't want to get involved with it, right?
I guess so.
I mean, if it had some pressure in it, I would add to it, but seeing it's out completely, once I touch it, that fucker, he ain't gonna want to play with it. You understand? He's gonna say, well, you shouldn't have the guy touch it.
The mom fuck.
You know how that works.
I guess, yeah. Like the mechanic.
Huh?
Like the mechanic gets another mechanic.
Yeah, you were a mechanic, so you know what it's like. Look at that for a leak. Wow. Brand new system.
And what do you call it? The inlet? It's leaking at the inlet?
That's the suction line.
Suction line?
Yeah. You want to write it down?
Yeah,
I'll write it down on the slip I give you. Okay. Champion.
It's cooler in the house without it on?
It's a micro channel. Yeah, look at that for a flipping leak, huh? Wow. Nothing but quality. Yeah, see, he's got a high pressure switch, but no low. It ain't gonna run like that without no refrigerant. You just burn it out.
Yeah.
How long were you running it for?
I don't know. I played with it yesterday when I noticed it, and then I shut it off.
You didn't keep it running, did you?
No, I don't think so. Not that long.
All right, so you're good. All right, guys. I just left that job a little while ago, and he's got the system's less than a year old. And I told him he should call back the guy who put it in because it's a major leak there. Right at the suction line. All that oil leaked out of the compressor. Not good. What a flipping mess. So, you know, if I go and touch that thing and start playing around with it, I'm going to own the fucker. So, I'd rather not. I mean, if there's something, a system I put in, I'd fix it. A new system like that, you know, still under warranty. Not even a year old. Why would I go and play around try to fix the leak that someone else? He should have put a dry nitrogen test on it and made sure the thing wasn't leaking before he let the gas loose on it, which he didn't do, obviously. Either that or something, you know, maybe something cracked. Maybe the joint cracked or something. So, I mean, the guy agreed. You should get that guy back, who not even a year old, let him fix it. It's under warranty. Told him if it was a burnt wire or something, you know, I would touch it, but if it's something, I would have added gas to it if it was a little low, but I mean, it blew its load. There's nothing left to it. Got nothing left to it. Should have like 230 pounds on a day like this. If there's any refrigerant in it, you'll register like 230 before you start it. 230 PSI. 230, 240, something like that on a hot day. I have to look at the PT chart, but no, anything before you start it and it's down 150 or something. 150 would be R22. 410A, you know, 410A, 220, 230. R32, same thing as the 410. So if it's really low on refrigerant, you know, it'll be low pressure. I had 0 in it. Like, holy shit, mama. I hate to see work like that, you know. I guess one of the teachers from Volk had recommended this guy that he had to do that job. Might have been a kid out of Volk. trying to get started in business or something. Looks like it might have been Stay-Bray 8 that he used. A little soft solder. Pick your battles, mama. I hit him for a service call to go out there. Obviously, you gotta go out there, and at least he knows where he stands. I pulled the disconnect for the guy, so he's not running. He said he didn't run it long, so that was good. Probably didn't burn the system out. No, people that keep them running. That's why I always tell people, if the AC is not working, shut it off. But, you know, they leave it running, something like that, with no gas in it, you burn it right out. Be fried chicken, y'all. There was a thermal switch in there that should open and save the compressor, but not always.